case they fight.
We might need some witness here in court.
I like your phone.
Oh, I hate it. Why? It's easy to use though.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Oh God, get away from me. Get away from me. Get them away from me. Don't push her too, the cat.
Look it. Back up. You got back up, bud.
Oh my God. Just get the fella away from me.
What? What? You're trying to get in your kennel, aren't you? Are you gonna kennel up?
She's probably in a drunken stupor and he's asleep. Oh my God. I just went into a sweat. You know how you get super hot, Flash? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh my God. I don't like him this close to me. Her hair was standing up.
Who got who?
I don't know. I'd have to play it back.
I think the cat got
I wasn't watching.
Where? She's not bleeding, which is a good sign. You just want to kennel up, don't you, girl? Livy?
Where's the other cat? In this hiding.
You're diagonal? Yeah, hiding in the back. Watching it all go down.
Livy.
He's too old.
Livy, Lou.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Livy, get out of the way so she can kennel up. Bitch. Fuzzy ass bitch. Livy. Oh. And she knows exactly what he wants to do.
Mm-hmm.
She knows. She's deliberately staying right there because she knows. Isn't that terrible? What kind of animals do I raise? Seriously, I've often wondered that. How do my animals get this way?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? They're worse than kids. I'm telling you. Who's your lighter?
Now you just had a blue. What's right there?
I'm sure. Where is it?
But your hairbrush.
Where? Hairbrush. Come on. Come on.
I thought we were going to do our hair tonight.
My goodness. Out of the way. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh, God, Jerry. Oh, no. I got all 4 animals in here with me. And look, Lily.
Kennel up. What's all them noises?
You know what? You want to know what's really funny? And I find this hysterical.
What?
Out of the blue, Kevin just happened to buy, started cleaning sheets. Which, I mean, I'm serious. I was like astonished. When they didn't think to buy them. I like them, but you know, I just.
Not used to him buying
Right.
stuff like that.
Okay. Now, before he bought them, and this is honest God truth, there wasn't even any static in the house. So I couldn't figure out why he was buying them. So I started using them, and
They're
a lot
for
of
your
times
clothes.
I'll put even 2 in because I like it.
And it makes your hair smell, or your clothes smell good.
How come all of a sudden there's static in the house? I did my bed sheets in them.
What?
I did my bed sheets in them.
There's
And
static
when
all
I
over
went like
mine.
this and I rubbed my head against the pillow when I got up, it looked like I had rubbed like 3 balloons on my head.
Really?
Really.
That's funny.
Never had that before, the clean sheets. I'll put a shirt on in the morning and all of a sudden, same aspect. How come all of a sudden we didn't have static? And now he buys these things and I'm thinking, oh, that's cool because it makes the clothes smell, you know.
You know why?
And now all of a sudden there's static.
You know why he
the
probably.
clothes and the bed sheets.
You know
and
why
towels.
he, Debbie? You know why he probably bought them? Because he knows you blow your pot in the dryer. Think about it.
And I did make one of those right away. But I threw it away.
Made what?
One of the things Josh showed me on me. On a toilet paper roll with a static ring. Is that what you're talking about?
No, you know how you know how you blow it in the dryer?
So
Yeah.
it doesn't stink.
Oh.
He probably got dryer sheets so you guys' clothes don't smell like pot and shit.
Oh. I don't think it. God, don't stick like that in the dryer. It evaporate.
Well, you don't think it's weird all of a sudden he's buying them?
Oh yeah, I do.
can't see the cat.
But I hate it because everything's staticky. Isn't it? You realize how staticky it is?
Kennel up? Kennel? Oh God. Oh God, the cat was trying to move toward the dog. She's moving closer to me.
She ain't gonna let him. She ain't gonna let
Look
him.
at Cece.
Cece will stay out of shit.
Caesars!
Unless Cece feels threatened, that cat will stay
Caesars!
out of any conflict. But you threaten him, watch out.
Lily. What's the matter, Lily? Hmm? What's the matter, Lily? Are you drunk,
Libby,
honey?
get out of the way so Lily can kennel up.
Too much drink and too much smoke.
Well, you know what? She obviously didn't get bottle courage, now did she? She did a lot better than
I
I
bet she
expected.
would drink a fucking 6-pack.
She
You'd let
loves
her.
it. She loves that shit.
That shit's nasty. You're so tired.
Lily, baby.
Lily's,
Come here, Lily.
Lily's so tired.
Lillers. Lillers. Look at, oh, look at. She really loves. She's like, follow me in here and guard me so I can get in my bed.
Not used to being up this late, are you?
She loves her bed. She loves her kennel. It's
Well, she feels
amazing.
safe in there. She's all
She does.
closed
Oh
up
my
and
God.
no one can get to her.
She loves that freaking kennel. Even before we had these extra animals.